So I just wanted to talk today a little bit about connection and horse language. And I think a lot of people don't think they can have the type of connection that they can with their horse. It's amazing what you can accomplish with your horse and the both of you together as a unit, as one. And it's so important for us to learn horse language so we can be like a horse, we can think like a horse, we can be part of their herd. And to do that, you really need to go out and watch your horses play together, or when you're working with them, really look at their body language, watch their ears, watch their muscling, watch their nostrils, watch their eyes. There's so much different horse language that horses give off. And if we could get out there and we could mirror our horses, they would look at us as more of the herd instead of a human. And then we could start having more connection with our horses. Instead of getting out there and thinking you just get on, you go for a ride, you pull them to stop, you kick them to go. Instead, get in the saddle and have the energy in your body that you want to be trotting. Have the same energy you're asking your horse of. Or if you're asking for a canter, have that type of energy in your body. Or a stop, having no energy in your body. It's amazing once you start feeling that connection together, and you just get such an amazing relationship. And I gotta tell you, once you get it, you'll have to have that connection with every horse you encounter. So a couple other things that you can do, is when you're playing with your horse, you always have to make sure that you do have that leadership, because your horse is looking for a leader. And you don't need that 90% leadership, you just need that 51% leadership, so you can have that relationship and you guys can get that connection going together. And I tell you, when you call your horse and he's coming to the fence because he wants to be with you, or you're training at Liberty and you just slightly look at your horse's hind end and he comes into you with ears forward because he's happy to be with you, you won't want it any other way. Anyways, there's just a few things that maybe you want to go out and watch your horse so you can start acting like a horse, being like a horse, doing things with your horse and for your horse, instead of making your horse do things that you want him to do. So good luck.